In this video, we are going to look at the step-by-step production process of the BMW X3 G45, based on the sophisticated technology, precision engineering, and sustainable practices that are implemented at the Spartanburg plant. The Spartanburg plant in South Carolina, USA, is BMW's biggest manufacturing site worldwide. This is BMW's main plant for producing the company's SUV. The new G45 generation of the BMW X3 is an exemplar of innovation, a new design, and the most recent advancements in manufacturing. Before manufacturing begins, BMW meticulously designs its vehicles. The X3 underwent extensive prototyping and virtual testing to ensure it met BMW's high standards for performance, safety, and luxury. The production process officially starts with transferring this design into manufacturing-ready blueprints. Engineers work closely with production planners to translate computer-aided designs into actionable plans for Spartanburg's assembly lines. The use of digital twins allows engineers to simulate the assembly process virtually, ensuring that every component of the X3 integrates seamlessly. Lightweight materials, such as aluminum and high-strength steel, are chosen to maximize performance and fuel efficiency. This marks careful planning at this point, with attention to detail in every minor adjustment that will be made before the production process begins, thus avoiding costly interruptions down the line. The first physical step in manufacturing the SUV is assembling the body in the body shop. At this stage, there is welding, gluing, and bolting together thousands of parts precisely engineered for the vehicle's body. Over 1,400 robots perform several spot welding, riveting, and adhesive applications to ensure precision and consistency in building the body shell. While the robots do most of the work, skilled technicians monitor the process and check quality. The body panels are designed for lightweight rigidity, so strength and crash protection is achieved without fuel inefficiency. Technologies like laser welding are used to produce a smooth finish and structural integrity. Advanced adhesives complement conventional welding to improve durability and reduce noise and vibration. In automation and human expertise, the body shell is given rigid quality benchmarks as set down by BMW. Following that, the body shell heads to the paint shop to undergo a high-quality finish, both visually and protective, where it first goes under the pre-treatment stage before proceeding to anti-corrosion solutions for protection against rust. It then proceeds through electrophoretic coating, which allows for the base layer of paint so that adhesion and strength might be improved. The paint is then applied in multiple layers with the precision of a micrometer by robotic arms to achieve a perfect finish. The process is concluded with a clear coat application to add luster and protect the painting from environmental damage. For each layer of paint, examination is done visually and through advanced sensors to ensure a uniform quality finish. BMW uses water paints that reduce emissions from volatile organic compounds and innovative types of drying ovens designed to recycle heat to give better energy efficiency. This whole process makes it the best synthesis of art and technology, reflecting BMW's zeal for aesthetic perfection with regard to environmental sustainability. The X3 really begins to take shape on the assembly line as the body shell is turned into a running vehicle. Interior installation would include seat, dashboard, infotainment systems, and wiring harnesses being fitted with extreme precision at the same time that the powertrain components, namely the engine, transmission, and drivetrain, were carefully integrated into the chassis. Towards the end, exterior pieces like doors, bumpers, and lights are added to the vehicle. The plant is a just-in-time manufacturer so that components will be used right when needed, rather than holding on to inventory in excess. Augmented reality is used to help visualize complex assemblies, allowing each part to be installed perfectly. Additional assurance of quality is provided because advanced tools monitor and record every bolt's torque applied to it. The scale of its operation is impressive, from hundreds of individual tasks aligned to ensure that BMW delivers its reputation for precision engineering at the highest level. Quality control is an integral part of the BMW manufacturing process. All X3 units are inspected meticulously for the proper quality levels in a BMW. A laser measuring system checks to confirm whether every dimension is correctly placed in accordance with the design. Roller testing simulates on-road conditions and tests all the dynamics and noise levels for each model. Cosmetic defects are looked for through the naked eye of professional inspectors. Cars are further exposed to simulation chambers that provide extreme temperatures and humidity, simulating conditions under which cars will operate in the wild. The final stage is also comprehensive tests of the electronic systems of the cars, testing infotainment, safety, and navigation features for any imperfections. All these processes result in a fail-safe environment because every detail has been looked at. The cars are taken to the last stages of production only when they have satisfied all requirements. BMW Spartanburg's logistics operations are a marvel of efficiency. The plant sources components from over 300 suppliers worldwide, with a significant number based in North America. This local supplier base reduces shipping costs and supports regional economies. The plant employs blockchain technology to ensure the ethical sourcing of raw materials, such as cobalt and lithium used in batteries, underscoring BMW's commitment to transparency and sustainability throughout its supply chain. Furthermore, the advanced tracking system monitors every component from the supplier to assembly, so BMW will be able to respond fast in case of any interruptions. Advanced logistics solutions in the Spartanburg plant, therefore, ensure smooth and efficient production even amidst global supply chain challenges. Sustainability is a core value at the Spartanburg plant, and many measures have been put in place to reduce the environmental impact of X3 production. The plant sources nearly 50% of its energy from renewable sources, including a 9.2 MW solar array and methane gas captured from a local landfill. Advanced water treatment systems recycle up to 98% of the water used in production, conserving this precious resource. Spartanburg aims to divert all production waste from landfills by recycling and reusing. In that manner, Spartanburg would serve as an example of sustainable manufacturing within the automotive sector. Such initiatives form part of BMW's wider goal of attaining carbon neutrality throughout its entire supply chain by 2030, and are evidence of proactivity against climate change. Once the X3 completes production, it undergoes final tests to verify its readiness for delivery. All of these vehicles are tested on the company's private test track with real conditions to measure their performance. Advanced software diagnostics test all electronic systems and check the customer-specific configuration to the individual's taste. It also has to pass noise, vibration, and harshness checks to meet the driving experience BMW premium standard. Once the vehicle has cleared all of these tests, it is readied for transportation to dealerships worldwide. BMW's logistics network puts sustainability at the top, trying to use all transport by rail and sea wherever possible to lessen the carbon footprint of transporting the automobile. This sort of focus will ensure all cars arrive where they are shipped in perfect condition. The X3 rolls out of the Spartanburg plant as the epitome of BMW's commitment to excellence, innovation, and a greener future. From the beginning of the design phases up to final delivery, everything is made to optimize processes for accuracy and efficiency in production. The latest advancements in technology, in combination with concern for environmental responsibility, will continually set new standards for the automobile industry at this plant. The X3 is the epitome of excellence that customers expect from a BMW brand, the pinnacle of German engineering crafted in the heart of the United States. Advanced manufacturing techniques merged with eco-conscious practices result in world-class vehicles through the Spartanburg plant, and by doing so, make a step toward a future in the automotive industry without harm to the environment.